Chris here from Prima Coffee Equipment. We're talking to Skip Finley from Dalla Corte.
Hello.
We're looking at Dalla Corte Mini, which is this really impressive home machine. Skip, can you tell us what's inside this? What's packed into this?
Well, it has the exact same group head as that our commercial machine does, which is a multi-boiler independent group head. So it's completely temperature controlled. The unit has a 700 watt cal rod element. It'll never burn the coffee because it gets cold water induced to the group head. So not only can it go up in temperature, it can actually go down in temperature.
So it's introduced directly to the flow.
Exactly. Cold water is going into the unit itself. The only place that water is being heated for the extraction of the beverage is in the group head itself. It shares no common parts with the boiler, only with the electronics. And that's with all our machines.
Yeah, so that's packed right into the Mini.
Packed right into the Mini. So the Mini has the same portafilter, same weight, which is very important for thermal stability.
Sure.
The same exact group head component on it. But it has a reservoir, 3-liter reservoir.
Good size.
Put in, so it makes quite a bit.
Yeah.
It has, you can do manual, or you can do a single or double, both of which you can put pre-infusion with. And just like our regular units, you can modify the actual medallions and the baskets for your weight and for your profile, along with being fully stable control for temperature.
And what is this that you're turning here? Is this temperature control?
This is temperature control.
Okay, cool. How do you see what temperature this is actually putting out? Is there
Well, you have, this is in Celsius right here,
Okay.
and basically the red light comes on when it's heating, and then when it turns off, it's set. I use a skate to dial it in, but obviously you're going to do it by your palette. So you're going to set your temperatures, find the range for it, and then it'll stay where it is. So it's all sensory oriented. The other thing about it, since the group head itself is only being heated by 700 watts and it's not connected to the steam boiler, this little unit here has an amazing amount of steam ability for its size. I would say this thing could probably do about 50 milk drinks in an hour, comparatively. And we had this at a show in Montreal. It's the only unit that we brought. We did 4,000 shots in 2 days off a home unit. And it just didn't skip a beat, so yeah.
So, how big is the steam boiler?
Oh god, the steam boiler unit, actual specification of the steam boiler unit.
You said it's totally separate from the actual brewing components.
Yeah, it's 1.5. Yep, it's all right there.
Awesome. And then the brew head is completely heated within the group.
Within the group, completely separate.
And you also said programmable by volume or time or something, and then also
It is. It's programmed just like a standard semi-automatic. You press and then hold the button to where you want it to, and you can also turn on a pre-infusion. You can do a 2 or a 4 second pre-infusion on either one of them. Yeah. I typically pull manual, and then the nice part is you actually can, since it's a commercial machine, I can use a naked portafilter.
Yeah.
And now you've got a complete home barista system.
Perfect. I love it. Good, thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.